Welcome to this tutorial on how to make any design responsive in Figma. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Figma website address. Once the page loads, take a moment to notice the clean and intuitive layout of Figma's homepage. You will see various options available, and clearly visible at the top right corner is the option to log in. After you locate the login button at the top right, move your cursor over and click it. This action initiates the login process and takes you to the sign-in interface. As Figma supports various sign-in methods, you will be presented with a few options. To streamline the experience, click on the option labeled Continue with Google. This method is often convenient as it leverages the authentication of your Google account, offering a quick and secure way to access your work. Once you have clicked on the Continue with Google option, a list of available Google accounts will appear if you are already signed in to Google on your computer. From that list, simply choose the account you wish to use to sign into Figma. Selecting your account automatically completes the authentication process and grants you access to your Figma workspace. After signing in, navigate to your project by following the provided link or selecting the relevant project from your Figma dashboard. This will open the project that you intend to work on. Take a brief moment to review the project layout and identify the element or group of elements that you want to make responsive. It is essential to understand the context of your design before proceeding to modify its layout properties. With your project open, locate the element for which you want to apply responsiveness. Position your cursor over the desired element and perform a right click to open the contextual menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Add Auto Layout. Clicking on this option will automatically convert the element into a container with auto layout properties, making it responsive to screen size changes and other layout dynamics. The auto layout feature in Figma offers enhanced flexibility by dynamically adjusting spacing and alignment. While auto layout is powerful, another useful feature is setting constraints. Constraints help you maintain specific positioning and scaling as the design adapts to different screen sizes, providing you with additional control over the responsiveness. Continue by moving to the auto layout section in the properties panel, which is typically located on the right side of the screen. Within this section you will see various controls that allow you to adjust spacing, padding and alignment directions. To better fine-tune your layout, click on the horizontal button available in this panel. This adjustment method aligns the content horizontally, which is particularly useful when balancing elements along the width of the screen. Next, you will be prompted to choose your desired alignment for the auto layout container. Depending on your design needs, select one of the following alignment options: top, left, right or bottom. Your selection will dictate how the elements within the container are positioned relative to one another. With this alignment in place, your design element will be fully responsive and adjusted to maintain its layout consistently across varying screen configurations. Following these steps will ensure that your design adapts fluidly to different screen sizes while preserving the intended aesthetic and functionality. Enjoy the process of refining your design's responsiveness in Figma.